The celebration of democracy saw the unique spirit of 78-year-old Ms Kalavathi, who has been on oxygen support and has pneumonia, casting her vote despite her physical illness from the Jayanagar Constituency in Bengaluru on April 26th. She had been rushed to Manipal Hospital earlier on April 23rd because she was having trouble breathing and felt very tired. Doctors there said she had pneumonia in both lungs and gave her medicine and oxygen to help her breathe better as her oxygen saturation level was lower than normal level. Now she's feeling a bit better but still needs at least 1 or 2 liters of oxygen. Even though she was sick, Kalavathi really wanted to vote. With the help of the hospital team, she was taken to the polling place on a stretcher with nurses looking after her, and she was finally able to exercise her vote. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.